Well, hello everybody, Jeff Cowan here, and I'm back again today with another question regarding automotive service advising. And today's question is, Jeff, what's the true power of word tracks? In your training, we know that you have over 200 or 300 of them and you're sold on them, so what's the true power in them? And that's an easy question for me to answer. You see, what word tracks do is they allow you to become choreographed in talking to customers, choreographed in your presentations. And the more choreographed you are, the easier it is to predict the outcome. When you use word tracks, you're more consistent, and the more consistent you are with your customers, the more comfortable they become, and the better the results are you get from the customer. It's easier to sell them. Word tracks are easy because you're not reinventing anything. You know, what word tracks are and how they're developed by people who made all the mistakes. They put in the hours and hours and hours of doing the wrong things to uncover what the right things are, so you don't have to. So word tracks makes your job easier and allows you to get the maximum results much quicker. When you take word tracks and you practice and you role playing, because that's what you really have to do if you're really serious about this, the more practice and role playing you do, the smoother you get. And the smoother you get, then the more confidence you have when you walk out in front of a customer. And the more confidence you have, the less stressful it becomes when you're trying to work with them and sell them. And you know, people push back on word tracks, and it's kind of funny because most of the stuff in the businesses we do business with, they're all very choreographed and very word track based. I mean, you know, theme parks, highly successful retailers and restaurants use them, and concerts, you know, performers use them. I mean, if you just take a look at the concert business, a major act touring today, they will rent an arena, a true arena like they're going to be performing in, sometimes for 2 or 3 months, and put on 3, 4, 5 shows a week, making sure that it's totally choreographed. They're standing in the right place, they're doing the right thing, they're saying this, they're doing that at the right time to elicit the biggest response from the audience, so they can be the most entertained, they get their money's worth. I mean, I've gone to lots of concerts, and there's been many times for some of my favorite bands, I will follow them from city to city because I enjoy them that much. And I got to tell you, it'd be hard for you if you took a major act touring today doing concerts, if you went to 5 of them in a row in 5 different cities, it'd be hard for you to tell which city you're in because they're that choreographed, they stick to the script. So when it comes to word tracks, don't fight them, embrace them. It makes your job easier, makes it easier to get the results, it makes the customers feel more confident in you and trustful of you. There's just nothing wrong with word tracks. There's never anything anybody said or done, and I don't think there ever will be, that will convince me that word tracks aren't the absolute best way to handle customers and the absolute quickest road to the ultimate levels and the highest levels of success, which is where you want to be and where I will put you if you continue to listen to me and do what I tell you and suggest that you do. This is Jeff Cowan. I hope you have a great day, because I'm going to have a great one. See you next time, guys, gals.